What up, homies? What up? What up? We're gonna build a watch list for Monday, the 13th of January. Let's build that watch list now. I've got stocks to trade up. Just seeing if a few more people will come in, but anyway, you can catch up by watching the video. Most of this will be done with a screen share, and you will learn a lot if you are relatively new. But first of all, let's just show you how I'm doing this month. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I'll just do this for now. So I'm just looking at trading for the first 10 days of the month so far. Traded with a $600 account and doing pretty good. I'm just checking that you guys are on. It's cool. Doing pretty good so far. Up net profit $1,263 just this month since January. Started with a $600 account. First I lost $10. Cut the losses quick. Then on the 3rd of January, made $181, putting us up to like 780 or something. Didn't trade for a couple of days, didn't say anything, or it was the weekend or whatever. Nice $200 win, $100 win, $100 win, and then I finished on Thursday. I took a just sometimes you get the right setups and you get lucky. Other times you've got to take smaller gains. A couple of these I was up 300 and give some back, going for a little bit more win. So up $1,263. That is my brokerage statement. That's why I encourage you people to follow. If you're new, if you're not profitable, I was profitable last year. In the last 8 months, I've made about like $8,000 in the last 8 months or something. Strategy's profitable. The way I look at stocks, profitable trader last year, profitable trader this year. Killing it. I've basically, the way I do it is I trade with a $600 account. I grow it to 3, 4, 5,000, and then I just withdraw it and start again at 600. So if I ever blow up, I only ever lose 600 of my own money. But less about me. Let's go to the stocks and what's going on. We have stocks to trade up, and we're going to go through the watch list. What setups are good? What setups are bad? And then if you've got questions, just hit them in this little box. And I'll try and get to this in half an hour so we can build a watch list together. I just want to get some back because I didn't live stream on Friday. And I didn't live stream on Friday because, I was hungover, but also because, what was the reason? Yeah, because there's no trades and I was hungover. Jim, nice. Good job, Beefant. I don't know what that means. But let's just start going through the stocks and we'll see what's going on. I think because my picture's not very good, I will just go full screen. Jack, man, you little fucker. Get in. What's your favorite pattern? We'll go over it. Text me favorite pattern. I'll show you now. The questions suck, so I'll just leave them. But basically, text me favorite pattern was my favorite trade. This stock, it always kind of gaps up and fails. It wasn't trading much volume, so I knew that when it gapped up here on the 9th, that was a high chance that it was going to fail. I took a short in the 350s, risking off a higher day, and I ended up covering. I got 272, and nearly bottom ticket took 24% or something. But I'm not really bothered about talking about the trades that I've done. I'm more bothered about planning a watch list so we can like, you can add stuff to your watch list. I can add stuff to my watch list. But let's look at just the stocks. Here's all the main stocks that have been in play recently. Let's just see if there's any good setups. Now I'll make a little Word document watch list. So the XL traded the most volume out of the stocks that are really kind of in play. Let's take a quick look. Dun. Everything's okay. You guys are in. XL. Obviously, it was a multi-month breakout here, then multi-month breakout here, or multi-week, multi-month, whatever, 52 guys. With news, this could squeeze even higher. or it might just literally consolidate in this level for a while. It's not really very volatile at the minute. It's not something I'm really bothered watching unless it gaps up tomorrow. So no real plan there. Really, we're looking for overextended stocks in the first red day. ADXS, that was a nice gap when it came down, but now it doesn't really seem that it's in play. Yes, it's up off the lows in the 30 cents. Yes, it should be due to go down, but really, what you're looking for is you're looking for this kind of break this level of support and short the resistance. But I don't really care much about shorting $1 stocks unless they're really in play. I'm probably going to take this off my watch list for now. Let's have a look at RAD. Another stock in play, trading pretty high volume. We have RAD now. RAD ripped up, came all the way back down. It's due a bounce. You can really see that it's in this. You can really see how it's in this. This was the previous breakout. You see how it kind of gapped up, and then when it broke through, that was the multi-year breakout. And from there, it just was really perfect long, and it's due a bounce, yeah. So let's keep right on, just because I'm curious to see if it'll bounce up or fall through. It tried to bounce, yeah, it couldn't. But if you get like a double bottom on Monday morning, it might rip up a little bit. So I'm just going to keep that on just because I'm curious, but it's not really a trade for me either. MBOT. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, guys, if you want us to talk about any pickers, just put them in the chat. Wow, look at MBOT. This is what I was talking about with Rad. You see how Rad was up and then down into a bounce? MBOT, little bit the same. Like, can you see this kind of this previous breakout and it come down to the breakout, and I would since like kind of pushed off. You've got like the first green day bounce yet, but again, it's like I can imagine this might have another green day than a red day, but like the move is short on the first red day here, or fall on the second red day. Yeah, but it's more the first red day. Yeah, this is not really a stock that I'm very interested in right now. I'm just going to take it off. It's just not any of my kind of place. We have Saba. Saba I banked a couple $100 on. See where we are with that. See where it is. It's better. I made the screen a bit brighter. Saba is totally overextended from the 1s to the 10s. It's making it's an interesting trend line. You see how it's got this like ascending. It's got this ascending trend line. I don't. If it falls through this trend line, then you can short into like the 7s. But I'd expect a red day. But it's not my go-to setup. But I'll keep it there. But it's not the type of stock that I'd be normally keen to play. CEI. Yeah, CEI is typical trash. Well, this is a reverse split, and then it's give all the reverse split. Such a shitty stock. But it just had a couple of red days, and it might be due a bounce again. So CEI, I'm just going to take off my list. I'm not really going to fuck with that till another day, or until it resets up into a pattern I'm familiar with. CLSD. A really nice, clean multi-month, multi-year breakout. Calm down, bounced again, bounced off this breakout here, this level. Mid-range, nothing you can really do with CLSD. I'll take that off the chart as well. ONCY. I'm kind of reducing the watch list because I only want like the best stocks. And a lot of these 4 or 5 stocks, I'm probably not going to play them. What I'll play is the stock that gaps up on the first day, and I know that it's going to sell it all back because long-term shareholders are stuck. Or I'll look for like a really overextended stock this day, like this first day here. Now OLCY is like mid-range too, so there's no point really looking at it until it does something else or sets up in a different way. But that will pop up on a daily scan, so don't need to worry about it. MTP under $1, so I'm not really bothered. But this is a typical gap bar that I love to short into. But the move's been done. It's finished. MREO. We've got nice grip up, but again, MREO is mid-range now. Don't need that. LIFE. Typical perfect gap and crap that I love, especially on a bad long-term shot with previous examples of gap up and failure. It's mid-range now, it doesn't really matter. Not doing anything with LIFE. Watch this, it's getting smaller, guys. Yuma, and I'm fully short biased there. Just FYI. Yuma, love these big failures, these big wicks to very bearish sign. Oh yeah, I've got some multi runs, multi-day runs, but since this gap, I'm feeling pretty light volumes. Perfect for me, but again, Yuma's made its move, it's mid-range. It's out. Wahoo. Wahoo! Wahoo! Wahoo made its move. It's off the watch list. And honestly, for the rest of them, not trading enough volumes, I'm going to take them all off. Unless they start picking up volume again. SES, I remember liking for some reason, so let's just take a quick look. You see that all these charts on that are just to play. SES, I took the first red day. This was a while back. I remember trading this because I thought I was chasing it down, but it worked out quite well. I'm sure I made like $800 on this first red day. I think I shorted some of this top. That was a bit of a reckless one as well, but oh god, yes, I knew the ticket. I think I made it 800, 900 on that, if not a grand, or on that first red day short. Perfect short. If we just have a quick look at what was running yesterday, so I've got my scans, October 1, less than 35, up 10%. Because it's the end of the day, we'll want. So I'm just looking at stocks on Friday. Want at least 2 million volume. Okay, let's see what I missed. AGTC. I literally hung for the open and just left. AGTC, if I don't need research, it's a fucking perfect first red day. Oh god. Fuck. Missed that one, didn't I? Short in the previous high, and then you kept rolling it down from the 9s to the 8s. To buck a share, I fucking missed it. Bit of a scary one though. It's not my favorite first red day, but I mean it's up from 4 to 9. It's qualified like looks a bit too strong for me. This like there's no previous history of like fucking up, but the main sign is the volume. Like it traded 40 million volume, the next day traded 9, so not much interest. So AGTC though, I mean if this is a consolidation day and it pops back up to the 950s, it's a potential long for second leg up. So I will just see that, but I mean there's a good chance I'll just fade down. I haven't really looked at the too much or anything like that. Trill. Got Tim Bone talking about Trill, but I haven't seen it myself. So let's go down. Trill looks to be backside. I mean, you've got a short. If this is gapping down, you've got a short to the 336s, full position 393. Trill is that as long as I have to look at the news more. Yeah, but it's got these gap downs. Doesn't look like a great company. Best penny stocks to watch. I don't know if it's up on Sympathy. It looks like it's on Sympathy, but key for this is if it doesn't have much volume and it's gapping down slightly on Monday, then for me, for sure, it's a short if it spikes into the 338s or the 380s. 100%. Shit, I just lost my screen out. It's been a spaz. Let's load that back up. $2 million. What else we got? Gene. Guys, ask questions if you want to ask questions. Gene looks like it's having legs up. If it breaks above the 530s, it will probably have another leg up. Looks like a very clean and nice chart. And I know this sounds simple, but trading penny stocks is pretty simple. This could definitely have another leg. Let's just check, make sure there's no dilution, no 4214. B forms on none of that chisel. Looks like it's all right. I haven't looked at the news on this, but providing the news is relatively solid, I'd be buying above the 530s. I mean, how high can this go? Let's see what its next resistance point is. It's at a huge amount of resistance. It's got a lot of resistance in like 530s ish, but it's not. It's right no more resistance right now. But it's holding its highs. If it makes new highs, your next kind of point is probably the 630s. So you've got from 540 to this. You've got $1 a share before the next resistance point. So it's pretty interesting. Gene, I'll put that on the list just for fun. EDNE. LJPC. Trill, like is a short, but that's probably it so far. LJPC, terrible long-term chart. Made a couple of days run. It's from the 3s to the 6s. It's more. See, it's not bad. I mean, 4s to the 6s, and it normally always fails. I'd like to see this have one more green day, and then I'd probably look to short the first red day after that. But that's definitely a good stock, technically wise. NLS. NLS is another one where you're looking for the first red day on a bad long-term short. NLS will probably be a first red day short. Gets up a little bit higher. FVECLST. And I'm going to stop there. So I want to look at stuff not up more. CLST, I'm sure I know. It's right now. CSLT. Oh, great. That's the last one. So I actually accidentally cut the scan off. And I can be bothered on. CSLT, yeah, it's whatever. It's not volatile enough. So probably Trill would be the number one. Short for Monday. It's short into this 360s and then potentially the 4. Short and half at 350. A third at 350, 2/3 at 390. So you've got like a 380 average positive risk. If it blows through, you've got a risk of 20 cents. But if it comes down, you've got like maybe $1. So it's like 5 to 1 risk reward. Someone was saying, watch INPX. INPX. Have a quick little look. Favorite partners, overextended gap down and gap and crap. See what INPX is. God, it's getting dark. It's just trying to load 6 months on the daily, or 3 months. INPX I wouldn't trade. It's gapped, came down. It's probably due a bounce, but it looks like a terrible company. Yeah, it's an absolutely horrendous company. Look at all these gaps and fails. This is not. I mean, like if you really want to like short the spikes and chase it down, but it's already down a lot, so it's just not for me. Maybe it'll bounce and then you can short the bounce or something, but the chart's just a bit too weird for me. So that's it, guys. Peace and love. See you. Look how dark it is. See you on Monday. Hopefully, I'll be live with you guys. Peace.